Oh, hey, look at these twists. And now look at this twist out. Look at this definition. Let's just get straight into this video. My name is Ginelle, also known as Crazy Curls, as you saw. In this video, I am rocking some 5-day-old twists, 2-strand twists to be specific. My hair has minimal frizz. My hair is still moisturized, but I really want to twist out. So to do just that, I will be grabbing some hair oil, Righteous Roots hair oil to be specific. Only a few drops, adding that to my fingertips. Look at that little glisten right there. And I'm going to rub it in between my fingertips. And normally I would start from the back, but we're going to just start from the front so that you can clearly see what I am doing to the rest of my hair. So as you can see, I'm grabbing my twist, twisting in the opposite direction, going to the root to find out where they start and pulling them apart. You're going to see this a few times. Let's see what this looks like once we let it go, because that's the final determination right there. And it is a successful twist out. Why? Because the first one came out amazing. Now, yes, sometimes you will have twists that just get all tangled or are frizzy. You've been playing with them too much and they may not come out just perfect. Then you know what? It's okay. Nobody's perfect. Nothing's perfect. It may not be perfect, just like this right here. This is if you've borrowed hair in between your twists, you will have them like this. But I'm showing you what you do. Unravel, pull them apart, and let's see how it comes out. Hold on, it's looking pretty good. And that was successful. Now, as you can see, the strand is not uniquely uniformed, but it's okay. So just make sure that you use this method because this is the easiest method to use. Make sure that you twist in the opposite direction. Okay, grab a juicy twist like this one. Find out where they meet. Readjust so that you guys can really see what they look like and pull apart. You will get through this twist out or unraveling these twists in only maybe a few minutes. It took me maybe like 2 minutes to just get through my whole head, and I had about, I would say maybe like 30 twists or so, if that. Once that was done, this is my results. My hair is defined. I barely have any frizz. Now, even though I have day 5 hair, or I wore the twist for 5 days, one thing I love about twists is that you can definitely wear them as a protective style like I did, or wear them for longer. And even if your hair is really, really old and you do have frizz, you can take them out and you will have a guaranteed definition, because the longer you have the twist in, the better. So I will be wearing my hair in this style, but to create a little bit more volume, we will go and grab our pick. And we're going to just focus on the roots. As you can see, I am not grabbing my pick and going from my root to my end because you don't want to disturb the definition that you have. But for me, I say layer by layer, go in and just add a little bit more volume by picking at the root. You may think that you're not creating any at all, but you are. Best believe that. So again, layer by layer, you're just gonna go in and lift the roots up a little bit. My hair grows by the day, so if I wear my hair like this, in a few days it will be huge. But because I want to really wear my hair out and just showcase the definition for a day or two, this is how I am going to just keep my hair and create that volume. So once that is officially done, go ahead and give yourself a scalp massage. Listen, how many times have you taken your twist down and you think you took all your twist down, but you didn't, and you find one or two or three? I kid you not, there will always be one twist that you have to take down or that you miss. So let me know down in the comments if this happens to you. Overall, I ended up finding another one, but that was the last one. And I unraveled it, and that's it. Easy. So let me know if you guys like to wear your twists. Let me know if you like to wear your twists out. How long do you wait until you take your 2-strand twist or 3-strand twist down? What do you think about these results? Would you separate some more? Would you not? I would definitely separate some more, but again, I just wanted to enjoy this definition. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace and love, positive vibes always.